Erokamano kuom medo oket e Ramogi TV. Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto jiwo jood bura mondo oket aguch omenda mar NG-CDF e pen chike ma pachoka. Jatend piny wacho ni mano biro konyo e chwalo dongruok ne jopiny e Kenya mangima. Olose nyasi madhialo higni 20 nyaka ne chak aguch omenda mar NG-CDF. Ka omedo siro ni aguch omenda no onego chwal lokruok e yor dongruok e piny Kenya mangima. Jatend piny bende osiemo jood bura kuom tiyo marach gi omenda mag NG-CDF. Komedo ni mano nyalo miyo jopiny rem geno kuom jotendgi.
Funds Accounts Committee. So in the House, there was Lawrence Majali. Your Excellency, as we celebrate 20 years.
Be present here. I was also requested to be a member of Parliament. I don't need to worry.
And I promise you, members, you don't need anything else. If you use CDF properly, you will be re-elected. Just that. Because CDF puts at your disposal close to 600 million in your term of 5 years. Friends, with 600 million, if you cannot win an election, then you have, wewe ni bure kabisa. Kabisa. Surely. Ati mtu tu ametoka huko amefanya ukarabati mpaka amekufukuza. Na umekuwa na 600 million unaenda hapa unatangaza shule, unaenda hapa unatangaza, alafu unashindwa. And I want to say this without fear of any contradiction. Any member of parliament who presides over the misappropriation of CDF or the theft of CDF should never be elected. They should never be elected because it is the ultimate betrayal of the people who elected you.